In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use different join types in Tableau Prep. Understanding and utilizing these join types are essential skills in data preparation, allowing you to merge datasets efficiently based on your analysis needs. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to open your Tableau Prep application. This software is a powerful tool that simplifies the process of cleaning and preparing your data for analysis, making your life much easier when it comes to visualization and reporting tasks. Once you have Tableau Prep up and running, the next step is to connect to your data source. This could be anything from a local Excel file to a more complex database system. Just ensure that all the data you intend to work with is accessible and ready to be manipulated. Once you're connected, it's time to start building your flow. Begin by dragging one of your clean or input steps and drop it onto another clean or input step within the flow pane. This intuitive drag and drop action will automatically create a join step between the two datasets you're working with. You should see this represented visually, indicating that these datasets are now linked. At this point, a suggested join clause will appear alongside a plus button. Clicking this button will apply the suggested clause, helping to combine the datasets based on the specified criteria. You'll soon notice a pane known as the Join Results pane. It provides a Venn diagram representation of the join. This diagram is an invaluable tool, giving you a visual representation of the relationship between the two datasets, highlighting both the overlapping and unique data points. To adjust the join type, simply click on different sections of the Venn diagram. This interactive approach allows you to toggle between various join types available in Tableau Prep, ensuring the data merge aligns with your specific requirements. Now, let's talk about these join types. Tableau Prep offers a range of join options, each serving a distinct purpose in how data from multiple sources is combined. First, we have the inner join. This join type includes only the rows where there are matches in both tables, making it perfect for narrowing down to data that is definitely present across data sets. Next is the left join, which includes all rows from the left table and only the matching rows from the right, which is useful when you want a complete view of data from one table but still need some complementary data from another. The right join operates oppositely, including all the rows from the right table and the matches from the left. Another useful join type is the left-only join, which includes only rows from the left table that do not match any row in the right. This is handy for identifying data points that only exist in one data set. Similarly, the right-only join captures rows in the right table without a match in the left. Finally, the not-inner join encompasses all rows that don't form part of an inner join, essentially capturing unmatched rows from both tables. There's so much flexibility here to tailor the data structure to your needs. By understanding and applying these various join options, you can truly harness the power of your data in Tableau Prep. Thank you for following along today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.